Today in this video, I'm gonna explain best DNS server for PS4. Go to PC and open the Chrome browser, then type and search Namebench. Now click on first website link, then click on downloads. Now click on Windows link. Now click on downloaded file, then click on extract, uncheck the options and click the checkboxes of name servers and your location is none. Then health check performance is fast and query data source is Google Chrome, then number of queries is 250. Now click on start benchmark. Now go to PlayStation, then go to settings from top right, then go to network, then click on set up internet connection, then click on use Wi-Fi, then click on custom. Now click on your Wi-Fi name, then select automatic, do not specify manual. Now enter primary and secondary DNS servers. By following these steps, you can use best DNS server for PS4.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.